Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a soft brush, warm soapy water, and a clean cloth. First, unplug your Dyson HD07 from the power source to ensure safety during the cleaning process. Next, locate the filter. It's typically found on the top of the vacuum. To remove it, simply twist it counterclockwise and pull it out gently. Be careful not to use excessive force, as this could damage the filter or the vacuum itself. Once you have the filter out, inspect it for any visible dirt or debris. If it appears particularly dirty, you may want to give it a thorough clean. Using your soft brush, gently remove any loose dirt from the filter. This step is crucial as it helps to prevent blockages and ensures optimal performance. Now, prepare a mixture of warm soapy water. Submerge the filter in the soapy water and allow it to soak for about 10 minutes. This will help to break down any stubborn dirt. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to maintain your vacuum without the hassle. After soaking, take the filter out and use the soft brush to gently scrub it. Pay special attention to the mesh areas, as these can trap a lot of dust. Rinse the filter under running water until the water runs clear. Avoid using any harsh chemicals or detergents, as these can damage the filter. Once rinsed, shake off any excess water and place the filter on a clean cloth to dry. It's important to let the filter dry completely for at least 24 hours before reinserting it into the vacuum. This ensures that no moisture remains, which could lead to mold growth. While waiting for the filter to dry, take a moment to clean the filter housing inside the vacuum. Use a damp cloth to wipe down the interior, removing any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help maintain the overall cleanliness of your vacuum. After the filter has dried completely, reinsert it back into the vacuum by aligning it properly and twisting it clockwise until it clicks into place. Ensure it's secure to avoid any issues during operation. If you find that your vacuum still isn't performing as it should after cleaning the filter, consider our professional diagnosis without obligation. We can help identify any underlying issues that may be affecting your Dyson. Finally, remember to clean your filter every 1 to 3 months, depending on usage, to keep your Dyson HD07 running smoothly. If you need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. No calls, no travel. We make it easy for you to keep your vacuum in top shape. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.